It is time to clean the house. I start my work right now. I open all the windows. I feel fresh air somehow. I pick things from the floor. I put them in the right place. Cleaning feels much easier when I move at a slow pace.
I clean step by step. I do not rush today.
I take my time and breathe. I clean in a calm way. I am cleaning the house. I clean room by room. I am cleaning the house. It feels fresh and new. I am cleaning the house. I smile while I move. Cleaning the house today helps me improve.
I start with the living room. I clean the table and chair. I wipe the dust away. I see the room looks fair. I sweep the floor slowly. I listen to some light music. Cleaning feels relaxing now. My mind feels calm and peaceful.
A clean and tidy home helps me feel so clear.
When everything is in place, my thoughts feel light and near.
I am cleaning the house. I clean room by room. I am cleaning the house. It feels fresh and new. I am cleaning the house. I smile while I move. Cleaning the house today helps me improve. Now I clean the kitchen. I wash the plates and cups. I clean the sink and counter. I feel proud of what I've done. I throw away old trash. I organize the shelf. Cleaning the kitchen slowly is good for my health.
Cleaning is part of life. It helps me feel in control.
A clean and quiet space helps me relax my soul.
I do not feel stressed now.
I feel calm and strong.
Cleaning the house gently
Helps my day go long. I am cleaning the house. I clean room by room. I am cleaning the house. It feels fresh and new. I am cleaning the house. I smile while I move. Cleaning the house today helps me improve.
I clean the bedroom next. I make the bed so neat.
I fold my clothes slowly. I place them nice and neat.
I open the window wide.
Sunlight fills the room.
A clean and tidy bedroom
Helps me sleep better soon. The house is clean and quiet.
I sit and take a breath.
Cleaning the house today
Was good for my health.
I feel calm and happy.
At the end of the day,
A clean and lovely home makes worries fade.